Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
I could have become a good guy.
I could have become a good guy. Sentence 2.
I lost my temper.
I lost my temper. Sentence 3.
Don't eat like that.
Don't eat like that. Sentence 4.
Close the matter.
Close the matter. Sentence 5.
If I were here.
If I were here. Sentence 6.
The weather has been pleasant.
The weather has been pleasant. Sentence 7.
He is not around my age.
He is not around my age. Sentence 8.
She laughed at me.
She laughed at me. Sentence 9.
Just have a samosa.
Just have a samosa. Sentence 10.
I will tell you by tomorrow.
I will tell you by tomorrow. Sentence 11.
Did you hear?
Did you hear? Sentence 12.
I have been down today.
I have been down today. Sentence 13.
How much are tomatoes?
How much are tomatoes? Sentence 14.
Put the rest on table.
Put the rest on table. Sentence 15.
Ali had come, hadn't he?
Ali had come, hadn't he?